Introducing the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S, a state-of-the-art robot vacuum and mop that redefines home cleaning with its advanced features and intelligent design. At the heart of the DEEBOT T30S lies a powerful 11,000 PA suction motor, ensuring that dust, debris, and pet hair are effectively removed from various floor types, including carpets and hard floors. This high suction power guarantees a deep and thorough clean every time. One of the standout features of the DEEBOT T30S is its zero-tangle technology. This innovative system utilizes a V-shaped brush and dual combs to prevent hair from tangling around the brush roll, making it especially beneficial for households with pets. This means less maintenance and more efficient cleaning sessions. Cleaning corners and edges can be challenging, but not for the DEEBOT T30S. Equipped with true-edge adaptive edge mopping, the robot uses a hovering arm and advanced algorithms to achieve 1 mm accuracy, ensuring that even the most hard-to-reach areas are spotless. The DEEBOT T30S comes with an all-in-one Omni station that elevates the cleaning experience. This station supports 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, self-emptying of the dustbin, automatic water refilling, and hot air drying of the mop. These features collectively ensure that the robot is always ready for the next cleaning task with minimal human intervention. Navigating through a home filled with furniture and other obstacles requires intelligence, and the DEEBOT T30S delivers. With True Detect 3D 3.0 technology, the robot can detect and avoid obstacles with precision, preventing collisions and ensuring a smooth cleaning path. Additionally, True Mapping 2.0 allows the robot to map your home quickly and efficiently, covering 100 square meters in just 6 minutes. The DEEBOT T30S seamlessly integrates with smart home systems. It is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control cleaning sessions with simple voice commands. Furthermore, the Wyco AI voice assistant enables you to initiate cleaning tasks without even reaching for your smartphone. In performance tests, the DEEBOT T30S has demonstrated impressive results. It achieved an overall cleaning performance score of 93.04 and a pet hair score of 86.2, showcasing its effectiveness in maintaining a clean home environment. Beyond its technical capabilities, the DEEBOT T30S is designed with user convenience in mind. The robot and its Omni station operate quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance during cleaning cycles. The reservoirs are easy to remove and replace, and the mop drying function works efficiently, leaving no dampness behind. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is more than just a robot vacuum. It's a comprehensive cleaning solution that combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly features. Whether you have pets, children, or simply desire a cleaner home with less effort, the DEEBOT T30S is equipped to meet your needs and exceed expectations.